double bike, no worries in the air. Wind is howling through the trees, feels like I can fly. Nature sings its chorus loud, my tires hum along, smiling wide this open road, a never-ending song. Dirt beneath me kicks up dust, a trail of freedom there. Sunlight dances leaves and shadows weaving all around. Birds above me cheering on the beauty of the day. Heart is beating, syncopated pulse, it leads the way. Pedal faster, take a breath, the world is all so clear. Every turn a new adventure, bringing me to cheer. Gravel under wheels of steel, horizon calling me. Good mood setting into place as far as I can see. Mountain peaks in distance frame the sky that's painted blue. Every hill I climb feels like a stairway to the stars. Streams are rushing by me now, they're playing our theme tune. Nature's symphony of joy beneath this golden moon. Every bump and every bend just makes the journey sweet. Pavement's not a friend to me, this wilderness might flee. Laughing loud and letting go to all the urban tide.